Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another free airdrop for you called Billions Network. It's a cool human and AI project backed by Polygon, that big layer 2 crypto name. This is a super early airdrop, so funding and other details aren't disclosed yet. But the good news is a confirmed airdrop. As you can see, it was listed on 1st March, so it's a great opportunity to join in the early phase. Just a quick reminder, if you want to updates on the latest crypto airdrops and news, you can join our Telegram channel where we post the latest updates daily, and you can also check out our blog where we post regularly to keep you informed with the latest crypto information. All the joining links are in the description, so check them out. So now let's move on the main video, how you can join the Billions network. So actually it's very easy to join. I'll provide the link in the description. Just click it and it will be redirect you to a page like this. Then click continue with Google and log in using your email. Next, confirm both the privacy policy and the terms to proceed. After that, you will see a dashboard like this. Here you can see some tasks. Click verify and you are done. Next, connect your wallet. Here I am using MetaMask for connecting. You can use Phantom wallet as well. After that, click verify and done. Now in this task I need to connect my X account. Just click in the here verify and authorize and done, and that's it. Now you can share your referral link with your friends for more rewards. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with friends. Goodbye.